So here we go. First video where I'm actually talking. There's Grandma playing Bejeweled. Awesome game.
She's always on it.
Say hi, Grandma.
She's not hi, Grandma.
No, you have to say hi.
I have to say hi.
Don't even bother.
I have my boob on.
No boob.
I can't say hi. I don't have my boob.
So that's Kelsey. I don't know what her YouTube name is.
KK92 Soccer.
KK92 Soccer, apparently. So, here we are, playing Guitar Hero. I don't know if you can see. Kinda. Not really. Crappy video. Oh well. So, yes, that is the karaoke queen.
Did I do it? Yes, okay.
Karaoke queen over here.
No.
So yeah, first video where I'm actually talking. Amazing.
This is going on my account too, so...
Yeah. So yeah, comment.
Oh yeah, say yours.
Oh, it's gonna be on my
But
account.
if I put it on my account, then they have to notify you too.
Yeah, well, whatever. I'm gonna put her description in the link below. Below. So yeah, there she goes, playing Mississippi Queen.
Nice.
I think I should take over. You think so?
No.
Wait, are you playing on hard?
No, I'm playing on medium.
Oh, that's wonderful.
I forget I have my pinky.
So, I would go get some water, but my friend SkullRipper88 hates refrigerators. But her refrigerator doesn't have a problem with water.
Yes.
So yeah, that's about it. Randomness.
Awesome.